Good afternoon, world, and thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels. If you're just new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell for future notifications when I upload new content, which is normally on a Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, unless I have something very important to say, and I'll upload earlier than that. That being said, thank you so much to my continued subscribers for supporting me on this YouTube journey. So today, ladies, teenagers, women of all ages, and men, wouldn't you love to achieve a gorgeous, beautiful tan that does not look orange and streaky? Well, that's what I'm talking about today. St Tropez products have hit the market. They've been on the market for a couple of years now, and they are doing phenomenal. They sell out almost everywhere. And a lot of people have actually, gone to tanning booths and have exposed themselves to UVA and UVB rays, which is not good for hyperpigmentation, for age spots, for sunspots, and for basically contracting. And you can contract from overexposure to the sun, skin cancer as well. So when I'm saying don't go to the tanning beds, I really mean don't go to the tanning beds. Go to your local Shoppers Drug Mart in Canada or wherever St Tropez is sold. I am actually a professional spray tan artist. I do not have a spray tan on right now, but I will be discussing the retail products that you can purchase and get that beautiful golden crisp look. When I do have my spray tan on, people always comment and ask me what I'm wearing, and I always say St Tropez. It is one of the #1 selling self-tanning products on the market, and if you have never experienced it, now's the time to go purchase it. So first of all, we want to explain to you how to prep your skin by exfoliation, how to moisturize certain areas of your skin before you apply the self-tanning product, and how to apply the self-tanning product as well, and especially how do you remove it off your hands as well. So there are a couple of tips and tricks I like to go through and explain to you how do you apply St Tropez self-tanner. So right here on my little stand here, I actually have my Prep and Maintain exfoliator from St Tropez. You guys can all see that. It says Prep and Maintain. It's a beautiful, lightweight microbeaded scrub, and it just comes out like so. So you're gonna apply it to your elbows, ladies and men, and just in little circular motions, clockwise and counterclockwise, around the knee area, around the toes, anywhere, and the elbows as well, anywhere that there's dry skin, eczema, anything like that, atopic dermatitis, you really need to be careful. So if you do have atopic dermatitis, consult your dermatologist first before applying this product as well. So you can do your whole body. If you're doing a whole body application, make sure that you exfoliate your entire body, paying particular attention to those areas that I just mentioned. Now, that being said, we're going to be using our tan enhancer, and that's going to be actually placed on anywhere that seems to be dry on your skin. So if you have dryness on your elbows, if you have dryness on your toes, if you have dryness on your knees, that's where you're going to massage just a little bit in to the product. It's also a tan enhancer as well. So it's called Prep and Maintain, the St Tropez Prep and Maintain Tanning Lotion. So what it actually does is that after you actually have your application on, you are going to apply this product after, say 2 or 3 days to extend the life of your tan, to moisturize your skin when you're out of the shower, moisturize when your skin's still slightly damp, and in circular motions and around the knee areas, any areas on your legs, your arms, and your neck as well. That being said, we're going to be talking about one of my favorite products, which is actually the Self-Tan Classic Bronzing Face Lotion, which is non-pore clogging, non-comedogenic as well. It actually comes out, I'm just going to put it on my hand here, it actually comes out green, and this gives a gorgeous, beautiful tan to your face. This is what I actually use on my skin. I'm going to apply it so you guys can see. So just in circular motions, it comes out green to neutralize any redness in the skin and give a beautiful golden glow. You want to avoid, basically, make sure that you exfoliate your face as well first before you apply this. Make sure that you actually do not get it into the hairline. Make sure that you actually get it not into the brow line as well. And you're coming right down with the product, right down, and I'm just applying it in circular motions underneath the eye, down around the bridge of the nose, the upper lip as well. And I use this on a regular basis. I haven't used it in a couple of days yet because I've had makeup on, so I don't find that when I have makeup on, it's really applicable to apply this, but you can wear makeup over top of this and you will still have a gorgeous tan. And what I usually do is I blend it down into my neck area as well. And as a man, for me, that is enough, because if I'm wearing shirts or collared shirts or anything like that, I just want to make sure that people see the neck area and the décolleté as well. So this develops in around 24 to 48 hours, and it's very important to make sure that, you know, if you're actually going to bed, that you're using a pillowcase that's old, okay? Just because you don't want any residue to go onto the pillowcase. Now for me, I've never really experienced that with any St Tropez products. They dry almost instantly. This is almost dried. So we're going to be discussing now, this is one of my favorite products, but we're going to be discussing now the, excuse me, the iconic St Tropez product that everybody seems to know. It retails for approximately $54, $56 Canadian. It comes out as a mousse, just like so. And don't be afraid, it looks like it's chocolate. It's not going to be chocolate on your skin. You're going to apply it using a facial mitt. And when you apply it, you're going to go in circular motions all around the area that you're actually going to apply it on. So I'm picking the product up and I'm going in circular motions like so, all the way down my arms. I've already actually applied my tan enhancer as well. So we're just going in circular motions like so, and I'm always stopping right here at the wrist line as well. I'm making a claw fist and just slightly going over top of my hand, circular motions down and around. And you know what, just start off just with a little bit goes a long way. And you know what, if you've never used a product before, you know, it is dermatologist tested. It is also tested to be non-pore clogging as well on the skin, and it's also vegan friendly, if you didn't know that as well. So I just have a little bit of color on, not a lot, and I would normally apply 2 to 3 coats of this on my arms. Now they also have some other fabulous products. They also have the Self Tan Express. Now this is a gorgeous product, especially ladies and men if you're in a hurry. So this is 1 hour tanning, 2 hour tanning, and 3 hour tanning. It comes out much darker when you apply it to the skin. It comes out, you get a light tan with 1 hour, leaving it on, a medium tan when you leave it on for 2 hours, and a darker tan when you leave it on for 3 hours. And it's a mousse formula just like the original as well. So if you're in a hurry, you want a beautiful golden tan, you're going out at nighttime, your friends are coming over, say they're coming over at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock to go out, apply it after you exfoliate and get ready, apply it to your legs, ladies. So you saw that I was using the facial mist, I keep calling it the facial mist, the facial mitt to apply these products. You can wash this facial mitt. It actually retails for around $8 or $9. You can wash it. I just wash mine in the sink, and then I actually just emulsify it with, you know, some Palmolive dish soap or Dawn dish soap or whatnot. So another particular product that you must get is the St Tropez Remove, Mistakes, Erase, and Prime. So this is a very important product. So if you forget to actually wash your hands, this product actually helps to remove any staining that would be on your hands, any staining, any areas that, you know, the product does collect. And the product doesn't collect usually, it's just usually on your hands if you forget to use the mitt. Some people use the mitt, some people use gloves when they're applying the St Tropez. I personally use the mitt because it's soft and it can go in clockwise and circular clockwise motions as well. So today's super duper product that we're going to be applying is the new Purity Vitamin 200 ml Self Tan product. It just came in yesterday and it comes out just as a fine mist, and you can apply it on the décolleté as well, down the arms, down the legs as well. And this is infused. This is it's clear, so you can't see exactly where you're applying it, but you actually can see where there's almost a glisten to your skin. So I'm going to apply this actually onto my arms, just where I actually applied the other one, and it's a continuous mist. So you can actually get a beautiful golden color with this, and you can feel exactly where it's stopping and where it's actually starting as well. So coming around, and when we're coming to the elbow area, we're just kind of going around it like so. And it's infused with vitamin C, vitamin D, claw in the hand, little X marks back and forth in a T shape. I'm going to do it here on the décolletage as well. And since I did the green self-tanning lotion, I'm going to apply it here. And I'm going to do the other arm once I finish this video. So once that's applied, you're going to take your trusty mitt and you're going to go in circular motions all around where you actually applied it. The color will darken in about 24 hours, and then you can actually apply it again and get a much more darker look to your skin. So these products are truly, truly amazing. And you know what? They do not leave your skin. This is a tropical scented product from the Purity Mist line. They also launched a vitamin C and D face serum, which I haven't tried yet, but we're going to apply it here, hence why I'm wearing a tank top. And we want to make sure that we're applying it and make sure that we can feel the product actually massaging into the skin area as well. So that being said, I'm almost done my self-tan application on my left arm. Right arm to you guys if you're watching the video, and as you see, when I'm coming around my elbow, I'm just basically skiffing over it, just because, you know, elbows tend to be drier even though I apply the tan enhancer on it first. So that is my review of the self-tan products. There is an extra dark, which is crazy dark. You actually look like Hulk Hogan when you apply it. You need to leave it on for at least, 4 to 8 hours, which is a long time, and you look green, but the green does wash off. So don't be freaked out in the shower when you're actually washing this product off. And it produces the extra dark self-tanning, basically the darkest tan that you can achieve. So with these products too, they're multi-functional in the fact that you can use one in your face, you can use, the mist on your arms, depending on what look you're going for, St Tropez has a product for you. So if you're just a newbie, start with either the vitamin mist that I just showed you that goes on clear, which is fabulous and I can't wait to see the results, or you want to start with the original self-tan product. If you've never used DHA, which is the active ingredient in it, do a skin test right here on the inner of your arm just to make sure. Most people do not have a reaction to DHA. That being said, get your glow on, purchase St Tropez. It's an amazing line, you'll love it, and people will comment on your beautiful golden tan. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment, and that's it for today. Woohoo! St Tropez all the way. Cheers everyone, and enjoy your day.